Hi my loves, I finally got around to editing this video, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. Today I'll be showing you how I style my kinky curly clip-ins. I've put together 6 super easy styles that have been my go-to since I've gotten these, so I hope you enjoy. So this was actually my first time ever doing a twist out on this hair, so this was very much experimental for me, and I actually wasn't even going to include it if I didn't like it. But luckily it turned out so cute, and I'm so glad that I did it. I ended up just picking out the curls so that just to ensure that the clip-ins are blending seamlessly with my natural hair and to give it a little more volume. And this is how it turned out. So cute, you guys. I was genuinely impressed. This is not a sponsored video in any way. I bought this with my own money, but I obviously wanted to share the specs with you guys. So it is from Hergivenhair. The texture is curly, it's 18 inches, and I got the glam set, which is 10 pieces for a full head. I cut my hair last March, so it's still relatively short, but it surprisingly blends beautifully. I'm honestly just really in awe right now. I basically just took out the clip-ins in the very front of my hair, just the ones that would show from my hair being slicked back. From there, I basically just, my hair is short right now, so I just kind of hid it underneath the scrunchie basically. And yeah, it came out super cute. For this style, I actually went in and added another clip just because I wanted it to be full, and I knew that it wasn't going to be a slick back style. So I basically just took my scrunchie, wrapped it around once, and boom. It's cute and effortless. So skip forward to a couple days later. I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like after a couple days of use. And it's not as defined as it was after the twist out, but the texture is still there. I went in and twisted a couple of the tracks that I thought were getting frizzy, but other than that, I thought that it maintained pretty well. Now, you guys, I have absolutely no technique for this. I just kind of clip them any which way, which is probably not the best idea, but this is what works for me, and it's going in a bun anyway. So now I'm just, product to make it blend. Literally my favorite go-to style because it's so easy. So you just pull your hair up. You guys know, pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, go ahead and do the other side. I like to take out some little strands to make them look a little bit more undone. And that's about it. Another style I've been loving so much lately. Basically doing the same exact thing that I did with the space buns. I wanted to give this more of a messy, undone look, so luckily by the end you can't see the small imperfections. But yeah, I just go ahead and play around with it until I like it. And just taking out some strands and making it kind of look messy. And that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time.